For 2023, are you thinking about perhaps upgrading your sound system for your desktop or your mobile devices? I have just a product for you guys, and it's called NT-USB Plus from Rode. Because I'm reviewing NT-USB Plus from Rode, and this is currently already connected to my laptop, and I'm recording myself on OBS here. So you guys can definitely hear 100% unedited sound from Rode NT-USB Plus. So NT-USB Plus, it is an upgraded version of much beloved NT-USB series from Rode, and it's been a very recent upgrade, so this microphone is something that you can definitely consider for 2023. And there are so many things that I already like about this product. First, the look of the design. It is both practical and very premium quality. So the entire body of the microphone, it is finished with metal. The mesh is of course metal. The body is metal. Even the buttons at the side, it is made of the metal. And this microphone comes with the ring mount, which means you can actually screw it to your mic stand, or like what I'm using here, the desk stand, which is included inside a box. And a very important part of this mic is that it comes with a detachable pop filter. The pop filter, of course, it gets rid of any unwanted noise out there, the whole breathing and so on. So this is really great. The pop filter, the mesh part, it's made with metal, and the entire microphone, it's quite heavy. And it does feel extremely premium, just like any other products from Rode. I'm just fishing out the cable, which is super duper long. It is 3 meter long. The rubber pad that protects the wire, it seems very thick. It is connected with a USB cable, but both ends are of Type-C, USB Type-C. So it connects to the bottom of the microphone here. Also, it can be connected to, for example, in my case, my laptop, but it can be connected to Android devices as well as Apple products as well. So now I'm going to connect the whole device into my Android device, my Samsung Galaxy phone. And what I really enjoy is that Rode comes up with all the necessary software, which is so easy to use for you to record on your different devices. Okay, so right now I'm on Rode Reporter app, which is an app designed by Rode, so very, very simple to use. So you can actually just change the volume up and down, and this would apply to the microphone, which means, for example, if you're actually taking videos with your mobile phone, then that adjustment level will affect the microphone volume. So it's very easy to control. And there's also Rode Central, which you can have software on your laptop, but you can also have the mobile phone app as well. The interface is super simple, yet you can change all the professional adjustments such as high pass, noise gate, compressor, oral exciter, and big bottom, just like how you can control within Rode Central software in the PC. And also, just to show you what's on the laptop, on the Rode Central software, which I've shown you on my mobile phone, you can also see the same on the laptop as well. Actually, the interface is exactly the same. It shows you whether firmware is up to date as well, which is an additional information. But all this effect you've seen on my mobile phone. And if you are gonna use this NT-USB Plus for streaming, then Rode has a free software, which means you can easily use their microphone to control streaming or podcast up to 4 microphones. This software is Rode Connect, and here you can actually assign different microphones to different channels. So here I only have one microphone attached to this laptop, so I'm just gonna assign one channel to NT-USB Plus. So this is the first channel, and if you just finish, then you can actually control the sound volume of the podcast as well. The great thing about this microphone, as you can see all these like headset icon and so on, you can do real-time monitoring via microphone, and there's 0 latency. So basically what you say, what goes through to the mic, you actually can listen right away. So here I'm just gonna plug it in, and I just have an earphone. And yes, I can definitely hear myself, and the sound is sounding very strong and crisp. And you can actually adjust the level. So if I adjust the level, then it can change what you hear in the earphone, what you hear from devices such as your laptop. So you can adjust to whatever level that you need to hear. If you need to hear yourself stronger, then you need to just increase the mic volume, or if you want to listen to like background music or something while you're singing louder, then you can of course increase the other knob as well. You can turn this ring mount sort of up and down to adjust the level that you want, adjust to the angle to your lips. So this Rode NT USB Plus you've been hearing for this entire video. So I hope you guys are impressed with the quality of the microphone. My room, I don't know whether you could notice from my microphone, it's not like soundproof kind of studio, so maybe you might hear a little bit of echo because, you know, I like to keep my room quite empty. So whenever I do the desktop to do voiceover, etc., which I may do in 2023, then this Rode NT USB Plus, it will be the microphone that I would continue to use. So I'll come back with some better sounding videos in 2023. So I wish all of you guys a happy new year and wish you guys healthy, prosperous year ahead. And I'll continue to come back with new gadget reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you.